Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the OTG connection on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section scroll down in order to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down again to localize the OTG. As you can see, it should be at the very bottom of this list, and tap on it. Now simply tap on this switcher, and from now on this option is active. If you want to, you can turn it off using two different ways. You can either tap on this switcher also, or wait approximately 10 minutes, because after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will automatically turn off the OTG connection. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.